Well, good morning and welcome back to Poshcats Camping. In this short video I've got a gadget for under £30 that could save your bacon. Well, what is it, I hear you cry? It's a very small power bank. Well, whilst we were in France and we were away from the van and on a walk, or even when we were cycling, the phone is one of the tools that I use all the time. On the bike I use it with Strava and Google Maps so that I can navigate my way around on the bicycle and not get lost. The same when going for a walk. We use Google Maps to find any of the places, like any of the shops that we need, or any of the points of interest that we need whilst we're on a walk. We were in touch with a company called EnergyQC, and they've offered us a trial of this power bank, and I'll show you what's in this box. So let's have a look in the box then. And inside there's a nice neat little package of an instruction book with several languages, and the power bank, which is wrapped in a plastic bag, and it was incidentally partly charged. I charged it fully before we ended this demonstration, so the indicator lights are showing that the charger is full, and on the end you can see there's two USB sockets, a USB-C and a mini USB. And you can see quite a useful size power bank. As you can see, I can charge three things at once: my iPad, my iPhone and my earbuds from the one power pack. So let's have a look at the size. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's a little bit larger phone than the standard iPhone. As you can see, the thickness is about twice the thickness of the phone, and it's just a little smaller in dimension as well. I've purchased these short leads from Amazon. They don't come with the power bank, but as you can see, you simply plug it in and you can hold the two together whilst it's charging, like so. Now here I've got two cameras on charge and my iPad. So again, I'm charging three items. Another useful feature on the power bank is a torch. If you hold your finger on the button on the top of the unit, it brings the light on, and then you hold it again for 3 seconds or so and the light will go out. Quite a useful feature. And here I'm going to charge some batteries. Now these are from my Sony camera. As you can see, I've got the USB connected to the little battery charger there. Two of them are already charged and the one in the middle is still charging. So I'm charging three batteries from the power bank, and I can do this if I'm out shopping or anything like that. I can have this unit in my pocket charging away. And here the same is true of the earbuds. If my earbuds run out of charge, again I can charge them up in my pocket or in my bag. The standard earbuds, as you can see. Well, well, I've got quite a bit of equipment here. This is, if I leave the van, the sort of thing that I would take in my little shoulder bag. This is the smallest bag that I carry, and I found it's really useful if you're out going to a restaurant or anywhere. You can just pop a few things in. The middle pocket I tend to put batteries and cables, and there's my earbuds, little charger block for the batteries, and then a few cables. Just tuck those away in there, and then my iPad will just about fit in that bag. It's a bit snug, but it just goes in with the GoPro and also the Sony camera, which is currently filming this little clip. So then if I'm walking along, I'll connect the phone and the power bank together, and they do, as I've worked out which way round they go, they do fit in the front pocket quite snugly, so that whilst I'm walking along I can have those charging away. And often I'll have the bag facing my body so that those are not exposed to the outside. Now, we have been using this power bank for about 10 days. We've used it with both phones. Sue has an iPhone 11 Pro, and also with my phone and other gadgets as well. We've found it a quality product, we can't fault it, and for under £30 it's a great buy. And here's our little My Rider. On the handlebars I've got the GoPro holder and the phone holder with the phone on maps, and inside I've just unzipped it so you can see there's the power pack, and in the front is the phone, and that zips up nicely so that when I'm riding along I can see exactly where I'm going. Well, I think you'll agree that's a very useful little tool. It slips in the back pocket of my jeans and I don't know it's there. It's really handy for charging up the phone, the earbuds, batteries. When you're on the fly, when you're away from the van, you're out on a walk, and all I've got is my man bag over my shoulder. The power pack is right there in case Sue or I run out of power with our batteries. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to buy one of these, there's a link in the description below. It is Amazon Prime Day today, and look for a little discount button. There's a good chance you can get a 10% discount as well. We'll see you on the next video. All the very best. Bye for now.